After less than a week following the official Samsung Galaxy S24 launch, many have been debating whether or not to purchase the Korean giant's newest flagship phone. The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra will be on sale on January 31st, but tests are already being conducted on the new phones to evaluate several aspects such as performance, battery life, camera quality, and more. Early testing on the Galaxy S24 Ultra compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra has shown drawbacks including uneven camera performance and poor image quality at zoom settings greater than 10x. Interestingly, the Exynos-powered Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus lack a 1.9x bigger vapor chamber to dissipate heat from the new Snapdragon chip, yet the Ultra variant seems to suffer significant thermal throttling when subjected to prolonged extreme use. The fact that many experts and reviewers don't seem to have access to the retail handsets, however, may be the reason for some of the problems that are being discovered. Fortunately, it seems Samsung is already aware that software upgrades are required in order to provide the best possible performance from the newest Galaxy S flagship series. According to recent sources, the first update will be released later this week. On January 23rd, Samsung will release an update for the Galaxy S24 series that will improve camera functionality and performance. If the update isn't already preloaded, it should be available for download straight from the box for retail devices that will be sent to consumers over the next few days. Because the Galaxy S24 series was released earlier than normal and has numerous significant changes, particularly for the Ultra variant, Samsung may need to release several software updates before the new devices function as planned. This year, the S24 series has become the most successful Galaxy S series ever with a record 2.5 lakh pre-bookings in only 3 days in India. Throughout contrast, during the course of 3 weeks last year, Samsung was able to acquire the same quantity of pre-booking for the Galaxy S23 series throughout the nation. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.